Hi guys, it's your girl Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through to do a little hair tutorial. This hairstyle literally cost me $11.99 and it's quick, easy peasy. It's been hot at work. Of course I got on my black because it's time to go to work, but I just wanted to come through and just kind of show this to y'all. Maybe it kind of give you some inspiration to do something else that's a protective style for your hair. I know for us 4th of July was just a couple of days ago, so I was swimming and stuff, and then I had to work for the next 2 days, and I honestly didn't feel like doing my whole hair routine. So this is just like what I did instead of that, because I don't have time to wash my hair till tomorrow, and I probably won't even do it then because I'm thinking about going swimming again. So yeah, this was just an easy way to kind of like protect my hair without me having to go through and actually wash my hair. This you know, ponytail is life right now, and the good thing is, like, once you spend $11.99 on a ponytail, you could literally use this ponytail for a while. Like, it's synthetic, it's not going anywhere, the curls aren't going to like fall out, so it's just great summertime style. Yeah, so if y'all have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave those below. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let y'all get on with this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell too, so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Just go ahead and watch the video, and yeah, make sure you like.